What's up, guys? It is Luis with Finest Mobile Detailing here, and I just got back from detailing basically all day today. It is currently, I believe, 2 p.m. or something like that. But I just got a package from OCD Automotive Detailing all the way out from Maryland, and this is actually going to be our very first unboxing of basically our page. And I gotta stop waving around this knife like it's a toy. But yeah, let's get started with the unboxing process, I guess. All right, so first thing that I see off the bat, it looks like a wash mitt. So let me try to pull this out with one hand. So yeah, it is a wash mitt, this nice black and white wash mitt. And I believe you could put your hand inside of it. It's a bit open. Honestly, it feels very soft, to be honest. And actually, this is my favorite go-to color for my wash mitts, basically. So that's going to be going to very good use, actually. And then it looks like they gave us basically this nice microfiber towel, no edges right there. And honestly, it looks very good, and it looks like there's a sticker. So shout out again to OCD Automotive. I'm actually going to put this on my water tank. I have a huge sticker collection going on right now, so I'm pretty excited for that. And then they have this OCD Automotive wheel cleaner that they sent to me. I've actually heard really good things about it. I believe that you could just spray on, let it sit for a tiny bit, and then obviously rinse off. But yeah, so there's going to be 3 parts to this. Basically, here's a thank you card. But yeah, there's going to be 3 parts, and this is part 1. So part 1 is the unboxing. Part 2 is going to be me using the chemicals. And then part 3 is basically going to be like an after results or something like that. And then they have something else in this little package right here. So I'm going to open this real quick, and then I'm going to pick up the mic again. Alright, so it looks like they sent us a ceramic quick detailer. So I believe it's just like a quick detailer, most likely. And it does obviously, leave some type of protection. Or it could be a ceramic booster as well. But I'm honestly really excited to try that. So yeah. And then lastly, this tire shine right here from OCD again. It's this nice blue tire shine and this tiny bottle. But honestly, I'm very excited to use it, to be quite honest. So honestly, shout out to OCD one more time. I know I mentioned them a ton, but thank you guys for sending out this package. I'm going to be shooting the second part to this video, hopefully as soon as possible. But yeah, see you guys on the next video.